Hey everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn off auto harvest in Merge Gardens. To turn off auto harvest in Merge Gardens, first of all, launch open the Merge Garden application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the main gameplay section, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button. Now from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, go ahead and tap on the Auto button under Harvesting and switch it to Manual. After you do that, you will be able to turn off the Auto Harvest option and you'll be able to turn on the Manual Harvesting. You can now go ahead and manually harvest in Merge Garden. If you ever want to get back to Auto Harvesting, then get to the Settings menu and tap on Manual, and it will turn back to auto in no time. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.